Hey, welcome back to NethaxStark YouTube channel, and you're watching what are keyloggers. My name is Stark, and let's go. So in the recent past videos I shown you what are worms and what are viruses, and this video is going about keyloggers. So keyloggers is also a type of malware, and this is a kind of malware that records the keystrokes that are entered by a user from a computer on a computer infected by a keylogger. So wait, I have a great example. So let's assume that you have a laptop, and in that Windows 10 is running, okay, and I installed a keylogger, and whenever you will type anything on the keyboard, it will be recorded in that keylogger. So let's think you are going to any random website, or you are entering your password and username, that then your keystrokes of your user ID and your password will be recorded, and I will know what are your password and your user ID of that particular website. So that's why keylogger is really dangerous. If you are working on a computer that is infected by keylogger, then all the chats that you are doing and all the emails, passwords that you enter throughout the day are going to be recorded. That's all I said. With the hacker, mostly all the keyloggers are paid. However, there are also some few keyloggers that are available for free with less functionality. So you can install it. That one name is here. It is free basically. Its name is Revealer Keylogger, and you are thinking right now, I think, that if keyloggers are dangerous, then why they are free of cost, why we can install them. So we can install them and we can use them ethically, of course, for spying on your child, and companies use them to record the keylogs, what their employees are typing and what they are doing, because there were a case that a company employee give their financial transaction history to any person, to other person. So if a keylogger installed in any computer, then the company have all the records that what a employee is doing. So that's the fundamental work what they are doing. So the first keylogger were built by Soviet Union, or were used by Soviet Union in 1970s, and they built that for to monitor the IBM electricity typewriters used at the embassy based in Moscow. And as I said, you can download it for Android and for Windows also. In Windows you can use PC Tattletale. It is a keylogger, and it is used for spying on employees, child monitoring software. Okay, it is a software of employee and child monitoring. It lets parents, employees and spouses to see what their kids, employees or significant others are doing. And MSpy is also a great example of Android keylogger, and it is a brand of mobile and computer, a parental control monitoring system for iOS, Android and Windows and macOS. So you can also use MSpy for your Windows and macOS also. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please share this video to your friends, and please like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.